Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Aiman bin Sarum. I'm from the fourth student at FTKM from UTM. So in this Google Meet, this is the interview for the Osha. So we have, can you introduce sir, from the below and the so can you introduce yourself, sir, after before I go through for the question?
So first, Waalaikumsalam and thank you so much for inviting me. First of all, my name is Ahmad Mustaqim bin Ikram, and my background studies is from civil engineering, and my previous studies is from UiTM Shah Alam. So for now, I'm working at White Hat Engineering as a site engineer.
Okay. So how long, sir, do you work in this company?
Actually, I'm start working with this company from internship. So past few years, I think around almost 1 year.
All right. Okay, so my question for you, Sir Mustaqim. So, how does your company communicate in ethical policy and expectation to engineer?
Um, it's actually come from uh, the starting part, which is it's just a basic knowledge actually uh, about the article. Wherever you work for, so you should be and have an ethic.
Oh,
So actually, for this company, we are selecting people with a good ethic to perform at this site and also to show a good attitude.
all right. Okay, thank you. Next question. Does your company have any specific ethical guideline beyond the BM code of conduct? Can you give an example, Sir Mustaqim?
Uh, yeah, sure. For my company, we are stick with ethic, which is to work with a safe environment, which is we are always reminding our workers and also we also treat ourselves to keep in safe, which is our works. We know it was very dangerous and very risky to us to get any injuries.
Oh, so you as engineer is very polite for your workers, right?
Yeah, we are very appointing them and very uh, strictly reminding them every time to start works. We will also to do a PTT, which is pre-task talk, which is to remind them about uh, dangerous and risky task that was given.
All right. Okay, hold on, Sir Mustaqim, before I go through another question of you. So next, I want to interview the next, maybe an engineer. So, sir, can you introduce yourself to my for interview?
Hello, okay, can you hear me? Okay, hello, thank you,
Yeah.
Aiman. So my name is Muhammad Iskandar bin Hisham. I'm from BTM Shah Alam, also from Bachelor of Engineering. And then currently I'm working with Gamuda Engineering for Hiras project. And then so that's it for introduction.
Okay. So, Sir Iskandar, I have a few questions of you. So, for my first question is, can you share an example of how ethical engineering practice have positively impact a project of your company? Can you, sir?
Okay, so for ethical engineering practice, so this is a very what we call very general because not all engineers are ethics and it's hard to be ethical on site. But on my current project, I managed to discover one issue, which is
Right.
I raised an issue and I raised an issue because that 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 area will bring hazard to the user lah. And then I highlighted this issue to my consultants and we had a discussion. And then after multiple discussion, and then my consultants agree to redesign and also to make some improvement on that particular area. So I think this is how as an engineer, I practice my ethical and also and also give what we call, I mean like give benefits. It's not benefit, give good reputation to my company.
Oh, okay, okay. That's very nice, Sir Iskandar. So you very what we say very encourage the ethic on your side, right? Okay. Okay, I have a few questions for you, Sir Iskandar. So, how do you think adhering to strong ethical principle benefits both engineer and the company they work for? Can you give me some
As
example?
my point of view for engineers lah. So ethical conduct builds trust and credibility. and leading to better relationship with clients, consultants, and also other parties. And then for companies, it boosts a positive reputation, reduce risk, and also can contribute to increase profitability in the long run. Because if you want to invest, you want to
Yeah.
invest with a good company that have high credibility. So it will. So if your company is good, and then in the future, so the good reputation will be, you know what I mean, right? Like,
Yeah, I know what you mean. Yeah.
so that's it.
All right, thank you, Sir Iskandar. So hold on, Sir Iskandar. I will be go through with you next session. Okay, go back to Sir Mustaqim. Okay, Sir Mustaqim, can you describe how ethical considerations are integrated into your daily work as an engineer?
Oh, okay. So actually, it was very uh, effectively. Once you are practicing ethical in your daily, so it will give also a good positive vibe actually, which is around your surrounding and also uh, I think around the teams and also the workers also.
Oh, okay. That's all. All right. Next question, Sir Mustaqim. How familiar are you with the BEM code of conduct? Can you give an example of a principle from the code, so a code from BM, and how it apply of your work?
He applied. For surely, in our working days, all the terms and conditions are applied. But the most things, I think it should be come from yourself actually. So however it was, you should apply the things and you should show something and ethical from yourself to improve that your works, your skills, and also the environment around you.
Oh, so you very important that thing in your daily life. Okay. Okay, thank you so much. Like, after that, I will go through with Sir Iskandar. Are you still there, Sir Iskandar?
Yeah, I'm here.
All
Yes.
right, that's good. Okay, sir, can you describe an ethical dilemma you're faced in your work and how you navigate that situation?
Ethical dilemma, right?
Yeah, sure.
So for that, I encounter one situation where my client lah. So my client wanted me to cut corners on safety measure
All right.
to reduce cost. But then I explained to the client about the potential risk and also the consequences, and ultimately convince them to prioritize safety lah, even though it will cost them a high cost. But then as an engineer that practice ethics, so the safety of the end user is our top priority lah. It's not only on the cost. So that's it.
Oh, that's very good. Sir Iskandar, you take your priority of your budget, right? Okay. So next question is, what suggestion do you have for improving how engineering's ethic is taught or promoted within your company or the profession as a whole? Can you describe, Sir Iskandar?
So my suggestion to improve the engineering ethics uh, in my profession as an engineer. So I think it would be beneficial if to have more interactive case studies, because what we learn in school is not as same as we learn inside on site. Because on site we deal with real life, real risk. So for me, maybe students can do more hands-on training on site, and
Okay.
also maybe to create a platform for engineers to share their experience and seek advice on ethical challenge.
Oh,
So that's
wow.
all.
Very improvising, yes, Iskandar. Okay, so your last question, Sir Iskandar. Are you a member of any professional engineering organization, or have you participated in any ethic related training or initiative? Can you share with me about that question?
Yes, I'm a member of the BEM, Board Engineers Malaysia,
Oh,
and
okay.
then I also attend one of their courses about CWDM, Construction Work Design Management. So the one is from Osha lah also. The one also
Okay.
related to safety.
All right. Okay, thank you, Sir Iskandar. Okay, for the lastly, before we end this interview session, so Sir Mustaqim, are you there, Sir Mustaqim? Yeah. I got info that you are on site, right?
Yes,
Sorry
actually,
for disturbing.
it's okay, it's okay.
So, okay, last question. Do you think the BEM
Okay.
Code of Conduct effectively addresses the ethical challenge faced by engineer today. So which mean the BM code, what is the challenging of you as engineer in work?
Um, Actually, the VM code provides a solid foundation for ethical conduct, but it may need to be updated to address emerging issues like artificial intelligence, data privacy, and also cybersecurity.
All
And
right.
the most exciting VM code that was implemented is and we also applied is competence and integrity.
Oh, okay. So very nice your sharing for your experience. Okay, I think that's all for me. So thank you, Sir Mustaqim and Sir Iskandar Nur Hisham. So we like to thank you so much for your time for this interview. So I hope you will be integrity and do your ethic as engineer, right? Okay, as we can see you when I see you. All right. Thank you so much. Bye bye.